What going on, everybody? Then I'm a bad man stance. Yeah, pre where you're dead on. You know, some more time when you have nothing to do, you will find yourself on Facebook and look for pictures and shit. So yesterday now, 2 minutes bored to find myself on Facebook. I look through some pictures I want party when I never get to go. I nobody look for me like that, cause everybody do that. No, say when you get to go on party, you go on Facebook and pre the picture there. So anyways, man, I look through the photos and then after a while I was like, did this bitch hire a photographer to take her pictures all fucking night? I'm only seeing pictures of her. Why the fuck is this one girl in every pic? Who the fuck photoshopped this bitch in a one picture multiple times? What the fuck? But then I realized it was not one chick. It was not the same chick. I was led to that conclusion due to the fact that there must have been a buy one get 17 free on dresses, shoes, slippers, eyeliner, and pum pum pink lipstick. Hey, you virgins don't know nothing about that pum pum pink lipstick, man. What I'm saying is every girl throughout the pictures look the same goddamn way. First of all, let me express my confusion and shock by saying, what the fuck? Secondly, why the fuck is every girl nowadays looking the same goddamn way? The same fucking weave, the same coat of makeup, the same dress. I'm even going to go as far as saying y'all wearing the same drawers too. What? Is it because it is summertime and then you get whole heap of sales so everybody just buy the same goddamn shit? It's crazy how bitches say they are the realest, but then you see the pics and the whole of them look the same goddamn way. You have no fucking originality, no identity. Walking around the goddamn place looking like clones of each other. Some of you look like the cloning went wrong because you look fucked up. You look the same way, but some of you look, hey, you look fucked up. Walking around like I robot in this bitch. Everybody look the same. You don't know who are who. There is no individuality amongst these young girls and young women nowadays. I don't know why. Most of them probably need to stop watching some of these fucking reality because I'm so tired of seeing that stinking Kim Kardashian weave. Yo, it's fuck! You see, the thing is, someone will talk a certain level of shit until it actually becomes a part of the lifestyle. Bitches saying they are Barbies, well now you really do look like a bunch of fucking Barbies. There's literally like nothing unique about it. Nothing. Y'all have the same wardrobe, same makeup kit, same shoes in your closet, same lip gloss. Shit. I'm even going to go as far as saying y'all probably sharing the same fucking man. That's right, bitch. Not even your man on a feet. You alone. You see, women, when you dress as a group, beware of the consequences. For example, if your man's excuse of cheating on you is because you look exactly like another bitch at the party, if he brings home a bitch due to mistaken identity and fucks the stem out of her tree, shut the fuck up and accept it. Because you are creating the environment for this type of shit to happen. Where is your originality? Where is it? Where is your identity? Bitch, do you even know who you are? I remember when girls would go out to see another girl in the shit she wearing, I would go home and chain. I could have her best friend.
Hey girl! Oh hell no, this bitch is not wearing the same suit as me. I left something at home. I'll meet you guys by the party in a few minutes, okay?
Twin sisters wouldn't step out of the house in the same thing. But nowadays girls be like out with originality and in with looking like everybody. One time I could look at a girl and immediately create an outline of her, and I would know exactly how to approach that girl. Now, y'all be having niggas confused as fuck. I might approach you a certain way and that's really not the type of bitch you are. Yo, stop it. Find your originality, find your identity, be comfortable with who you are and stop dressing like everybody else. Shit. Shout out to the girl that actually add them own flair to the trend that's in now. Shout out to the girls who don't even care about the trend that's going on now. They just do them. You know what I'm gonna start doing? Every time I see a group of bitches that look the same, I'm just gonna salute. Because I'm gonna assume that you bitches are a part of some army. No originality, bitch gang. Where's your fucking originality?
Lydia. Yes, man.